line increased to an all-time high in August 2022. The minimum expenditure per person per month to fulfill basic needs in the country now stands at 13,460 rupees. According to the World Bank's poverty metric for lower middle income class country of $3.65 per day, those falling below the poverty line in Sri Lanka rose to 5 million as October 2022. This is about 25.6% of the population, doubling from 12 months ago. Let's look at a few areas to better understand the current situation. Why has the poverty significantly increased in recent times? Implications of poverty on the economy. How does Sri Lanka compare against poverty in regional countries? Government actions to address the matter. What is the outlook? Let's look at each of these in more detail. In October 2022, the World Bank issued its Poverty and Equity Brief on Sri Lanka, which makes several startling revelations. Since 2021, households in Sri Lanka are said to be impacted by substantial increase in prices, contracting wage employment in services and industrial sectors, declining foreign worker remittances, and lower incomes from agriculture, from the ban on agrochemical fertilizers. What are the implications of poverty? As a consequence of poverty, people suffer physically, mentally, and economically. Poverty is also attributable to an increase in crime, further affecting the lives of all those involved. For the government, providing subsistence for the poor and vulnerable means funds for investment in physical and human capital will be constrained, thus limiting economic growth. As such, low economic growth hampers job creation and productive employment, thus increasing poverty, and so the vicious cycle continues. Improving the livelihoods of those in poverty results in their higher contribution to the economy, in terms of being employed, being less dependent on subsidies, etc. Analyzing World Bank data, Sri Lanka appears better placed than most of its peers. The government initiated an emergency social assistance of 5,000 rupees per month for several months, expanding Samurdhi recipients, a food security program unit to address increasing poverty and hunger, sought help from the World Food Programme for the most vulnerable 3.4 million. So what is the outlook for poverty? The World Bank paints a bleak picture, saying that poverty in Sri Lanka will remain above 25% over the next few years, due to multiple risks to the livelihood of households. It notes that the negative outlook on the economic conditions for years 2023 and 2024 suggests that poverty may increase further. In the short term, it says that there is real danger of poverty increasing, should public expenditure reduce to restore fiscal balances, without additional allocations being given to strengthen social safety nets. In conclusion, there is no easy way out of the present crisis. Significant economic development in the country is needed. For this, the government has to focus on developing an export-oriented economy via attracting FDIs and free trade agreements, reviving manufacturing sector by loosening imports tariffs, initiating labor reforms, and tackling corruption. That's all from us for now. We hope you found our program useful. For regular updates on the Sri Lanka economy, subscribe to our YouTube channel here.